Yo, what up guys? It's Tristan Lady. We're back with another video. Um, Today we got an unboxing and review that I'll show you guys in a second. But first off, I just want to say if you're new, like and subscribe, and we're on the road to 500. And yeah, if you didn't check out the last two videos, so I did the Margella video, so go show some love to that. Then the video before that was the video that relates to this video. We'll go ahead and get into these. So, as you can see, we got the black Kobe box, blacked out with the snake scales, of course. And then, so we got the shoes, and so these are the Kobe 4 gold medals. Sorry, I had to smell them. I could just smell the glue because these are they have a lot of glue with them. Yeah, so this is also a really cool time to record this video because these just came out like a week ago or something. They just came in yesterday and I was at a concert. But so I was really happy to hit on these. But we have so starting off, these are obviously, Kobe didn't actually wear these in the Olympics, but I believe it was the 2008 Olympics, or maybe it was 2012. I don't know. One of the two is what this shoe was made after, but Kobe actually wore the Hyper Dunks. I believe it was 2008, if I'm not mistaken. But Kobe didn't wear these; he wore the Hyper Dunks, as did most of the people that wore Nike during that time. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into these. So of course you got your red and blue for the U.S., and then your all over gold toe, and then your laces, and then the Mamba logo, and it's like a synthetic leather, and then like it's really cool though because the snake skin. It's just like I didn't whenever I looked at these online, I didn't realize that the toe cap was all snakeskin too, which is really cool. And then so like this material, it's just like a fused plastic material. It's like first generation flywire, and then you got your heel counter, and then it has 10, which is Kobe's Olympic number. Um, and then let's pull out and see what the insole looks like. And then you've got the gold medal on the inside, which is just really sick. Let me pull it out so I can pull it out. There's too much glue. I'm not gonna take it out. I tried to, but it started to like tear up. So yeah, really cool insole though. Let me see if it's different on the other shoe. And then of course, if you know, Kobe 4s only have the signature on the right side. Still has the number 10 though. And yeah, so yeah, both sides of the insole are actually the same, but these are just a really sick shoe. And then the outsole is really sick too. And this is kind of like almost like a milky like white. It's not like completely translucent, but it's like milky, if that makes sense. And it goes, yeah, I'm not sure because a lot of people like in the pictures this just kind of looks like pure white, but it's actually the milky too. And the whole outsole is like milky, or at least right here. And then you got your Nike symbol and your carbon fiber. In my opinion, Kobe 4s are really comfortable. And as far as sizing, so I have I have a wider foot, not super wide. And I go true to size. In Kobe's, they are tight, but in my opinion, that's how I like Kobe's. They fit very like one to one like a sock, really comfortable in my opinion. But if you don't like your shoes tight, or at least on the tighter side, I would recommend a half size up. I'll go ahead and show you guys what these look like on feet. And so I forgot to tell you guys, I've been packing. So yeah, I don't really have, all my other clothes are pretty much packed right now. So um, yeah, no, it's not gonna really be a styling. I'm just gonna literally show you guys what these look like on feet, and I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, that was on feet. So I'm not gonna lie, like when I was talking about sizing, I think these fit more narrow than the girl dad colorway did. I really hoped. I mean, I know they will break in. I just hope they break in a decent amount because I will say these are very tight. But they will break in. It'll just take a couple wears. And yeah, overall, I would just say really sick colorway. Happy US won gold in basketball for sure. Um, and yeah, also a few other things I wanted to say. So when I was talking about the or the video relating earlier, so when I was in Paris, I actually picked up some Kobe stuff. It was 2 videos ago if you want to check that out. But I'm pretty sure this shirt was actually the shirt I got was meant to go with this, with these. So I might have to see. I would show you guys, but it's all packed up already. Um, yeah. So. And then if you guys would, I would very much appreciate it if you guys checked out the last video, the My Smarter Jello video. And yeah, keep showing love. This might be the last video for a little bit, until I get some other pickups. It's just a little bit rougher for me to put out content during the school year, um, just because of money. But yeah, I will try to put out videos whenever I can. I appreciate everyone's support. See y'all in the next video. Peace.